रुको वाट
Fuck me, bro.
आवाज मुनी यहाँ ते को लगी वो लक्ष्मी में
Madonna, Jesus. They don't give a fuck about our mensen, ja. Ja. Hoe wat moet kakken, kom is straks een kakkaver, man. Tot moet kakken, en een kak, een kakkaver, man. Wat met mijn klak, veel kak, een kakkaver, man. Het is kak, ready not, so fuck the government. In the land is still a block, so fuck the government. They wanna gangbang us, so fuck the government. Give a damn about us, so fuck the government. Watch me bang bang this fuck, yeah, fuck the government.
Where is the people that must look after us? Where's our police? Huh? Our ambulance come here whenever they want to. Whenever everybody's shot here, huh? They come afterwards where our life can be saved.
In on the cameras, get the close up on these pictures live. Zoomer got focal present time while my nigga in a hole for the putty clock. Since they shovel shut, you're some dirty line. Take my pill, fold their backs and more than 40 lies. In the government, they just talk a bunch of shit. Seen sequels loving up, but now I'm about to drop. Astounded by you cowards, most the country from a Dutch. Got lactose intolerance, I'm hearing all the moves from your lips. You call them speeches, yo, I'm fucking speeches. They like sauna, I'm like summer. State of the nation, more squeezes than Nirvana. More worried about your grammar than your motherfucking honor. Only possible get is a comma. More caps between the rich than lasagna. See more bull and Tijuana, but more gold than Nevada. Let me show, cause I'm on the fucking border like Botswana. About to blow my anger like Osama. Think I'm gonna bomb a couple cops and club is trust. A cock government. Talk more cock than a cock. A cock government. What make my clock feel cock? A cock government. It's just cock ready enough, so fuck the government. In the land is still a block, so fuck the government. They wanna gangbang us, so fuck the government. Give a damn about us, so fuck the government. Watch me bang bang this fuck, yeah, fuck the government. I need a death penalty for the rapist, gonna escape it, and the devil entities touching children, gonna race it, make me sick. While we click away, we don't fucking face it. If we get another sick prick, I'm cutting off his dick, bitch. Sayers make me twitch, psycho, glitch. A woman forced to love, nervous like they on a twig bridge. Hold up, how about the fucking rich allowed to love? Ignorant to realities, our country and the big ditch. Whitey's thinking Kimberly the hoe, and that's what makes my skin itch. Only a way to escape the pot I cap and make the system glitch. Gotta work mad magic like a witch. Get paid just enough to get a ride daily like a hit. Some days you can't afford a bread, and it makes your brain go twitch. Your bride gets shot straight to heaven, and we all meant to be in a big ditch. What the royalty know about the poverty? Just imagine a simple life straight. Couple cops and club is trust. A cock government. Talk more cock than a cock. A cock government. What make my clock feel cock? A cock government. It's just cock ready enough, so fuck the government. In the land is still a block, so fuck the government. They wanna gangbang us, so fuck the government. Give a damn about us, so fuck the government. Watch me bang bang this fuck, yeah, fuck the government.
fuck the government. Fuck the government. Fuck them. Fuck the government.
Get hype, get hype.